and I made this Arduino LCD game. The components I used are a LCD display, a Arduino, a push button, a breadboard, and some connecting wires. So basically, it's like a Dino game which we usually see on the Chrome when there's no Wi-Fi. So it's similar to that. So I'll just power it up to show you. So as you can see, it started, and on the LCD display, you can see it says press to start. So when I click on this button, the game is going to start, and randomly obstacles are going to come up, and we have to click on the button, this push button, to jump. And as we click on it, the character in it will jump, and we have to avoid touching obstacles. This is the Arduino LCD game I made.